Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Deep, and today in this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up payments in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. Although we have already written a detailed step-by-step guide in our documentation regarding to the payment setup, but in this video, I am going to break it down and simplify everything for you, from creating products to setting up webhooks. So without any delay, let's get started. Now we will take a look at our payment setup guide that we have written in our documentation. Don't worry, I will provide a link to this guide in the description below this video. JetShip currently supports two payment providers, Stripe and Lemonscurry, but you will need to select any one of these providers. Don't worry, I will also help you to select the best payment provider as per your requirement. For selecting the best payment provider, here are some factors that you need to consider while selecting your payment provider. First factor is charges. Please compare the transaction fees between Stripe and Lemonscurry. Our second factor is supported countries. Please make sure that your provider operates in the countries where your customers are located. The third factor is supported currency. Please check if your preferred currency is supported by your payment provider or not. The fourth factor is payment methods. Each payment provider supports different type of payment methods like credit card, cash, bank transfers, etc. The fifth factor is payout time. Understand how long it takes for the provider to transfer the funds to your bank account. Check out their payout time. The sixth factor is refund processing. Look at how fast they process their refunds. The seventh factor is dispute resolution. Make sure that your provider handles the disputes well and offers a good level of support. Apart from this, if you are interested in offering an affiliate program for a SaaS product or selling a digital products, Lemonscurry could be a great option. It has a built-in affiliate system and handles a digital product download seamlessly. Meanwhile, in the Stripe, these packs need a manual setup. I hope this information are very helpful to you for selecting the best payment provider for yourself. If you have chosen Stripe as your payment provider, please continue watching this video. For those who are opting for a Lemonscurry, don't worry, we have already prepared a dedicated video on setting up Lemonscurry with JetShip. You will find a link to that video in the description below. So before we start, please ensure that you already have a Stripe account and a JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate installed in your local system. If you need any help with the installation of JetShip, please check out our detailed installation video. I will also provide a link to that installation video in the description below. So, in this video, we will set up a Stripe with our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. So, let's get started. Once you are done with the setup, our next important task is to collect API keys from Stripe and configure them in our env file. In our Stripe dashboard, you can find two keys in this section, publishable key and secret key. We need to configure both these keys in our env file. So let's copy them one by one. First of all, let's copy publishable key. I have copied it and we will set it in our Stripe publishable key secret. Like this, we will also copy the secret key and we will paste it in our Stripe secret key environment variable. We have successfully configured both these keys. Now it's time to configure pricing for your product. Before you proceed, please confirm whether your product will be a one-time purchase or a subscription-based service. Based on this, we will customize our JSON file to set up the pricing. In this video, we will consider an example product to set up pricing in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. And here is the details regarding this example product. Our example product is a one-time product and it has mainly three variants: Basic, Pro and Elite. Basic variant is available at $99, Pro variant is available at $149 and Elite variant is available at $199. Based on this, we will set up pricing in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. To set up the pricing in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate, we need to log in as an admin user. So, let's log in as an admin user. For setting up pricing, we will head to Payment Provider section. Here we have selected Stripe as a default provider and we will need a sample JSON data. As our product is a one-time product, we will need to copy a sample JSON file for one-time product from our documentation. This is the sample JSON file for our one-time product. We will copy this and paste it in our editor. We will remove our comments as they are invalid in JSON. Now we will modify this data according to our example product. Here is our example product. So, our example product has three variants: Basic, Pro and Elite. So we will add a new variant, Elite, here. And we will also set up pricing. Our basic product is priced as $99.99, which is correct. The Pro is priced at $149. Okay, also we have set up pricing and we'll remove this most popular. We'll also remove this coupon ID as we haven't created any coupon yet. Now we will also remove the price ID. First of all, we will create this product on the Stripe, and then we will copy the price ID of these products here. We need to create this product in our Stripe dashboard and then copy their price ID in these sections. So let's go to the Stripe dashboard and create these products. So this is our Stripe dashboard, and we will go to the product catalog and create a new product from here. We will give our name is a one-time product, a taste one-time product. Our product is one-off, which is one-time, and our base product price is $99. We will add more pricing option. Please make sure that you provide price description for each product variant. Here it is our basic variant, so we will provide description as a basic. We will add another price, which is $149, and it is one-off. Our Pro variant, the field description is Pro. We will also add another pricing for Elite variant. It is also one-off, and description will be Elite. And we will add the product. Okay, we have created 3 variants of our product: Basic, Pro and Elite. Now we will copy the price ID from here. For the basic variant, I am copying the price ID and paste it in our JSON file for basic variant. Same goes for Pro and Elite. And we will save the changes. Okay, we have successfully set up our JSON file table for our landing page. So we will go to the code. This is our code for landing page, and we will uncomment the code for one-time product. Here are both type of pricing table variant. We will only enable one. Okay, and now we have successfully set up pricing. We will go to landing page and go to pricing. We have set up the pricing for our example product. Now we will buy a Elite product and we will confirm and pay. Okay, we will test with dummy data. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully set up Stripe in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. We have successfully made a payment. For a subscription-based product, follow a similar process. Just ensure that you are using the correct JSON structure as provided in our documentation. Finally, let's configure webhook for our Stripe. Webhooks allow Stripe to notify your app of events like completed payments or refunds, which is crucial for keeping your app's payment status accurate. Now, let's set up webhook in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. You can use Stripe CLI for testing the webhooks, but in this video, I will use N0. For testing the webhooks, I have made mainly 2 changes. I have created an API endpoint for it /webhook/Stripe and created a handler for this. Here, you can write a logic related to your webhook. So let's start our app with N0, and it will provide an URL. We'll copy this URL and create a webhook. So let's go to the dashboard. Here is developer tools. Go to the event destination tab and add an endpoint. We'll copy our URL and write an endpoint at the end. Also, we will select events. We'll add all the events for checkout and we'll add endpoint. Here, you need to reveal this signing secret, copy it and paste it in your environment secret. Here in your Stripe webhook secret environment variable. So now let's make a payment and check out if it is working properly or not. So let's head to our landing page, pricing section. Let's purchase Elite version and we will test it with dummy data. Okay, our payment is successful. Let's check out if we have received our webhook or not. Okay, as you can see, we have received a webhook from the Stripe. So we have successfully set up webhook in our JetShip Laravel SaaS Boilerplate. And that's it. We have successfully set up payments in our JetShip using the Stripe. Now you can start collecting the payments from your customers with ease. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.